Hey guys, what is up? It is Hef Cuber here. Today I have a huge unboxing from CubesEZ Monster Box. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Shit. Trying to get all the damn tape off. This is a lot of cubes in here. Just open it up. I don't need the scissors anymore. Try not to rip the package as much as I can to get these damn things out. Okay. Tell there's a lot of damn cubes in here, as y'all can see. Let me just get this part. I'm gonna rip the hell out of this box. Okay. I think that's good on this side, let's see. Don't care about the box because, man, this is crazy. There's so many cubes in here. So excited. It's time to get the last part done. A dull knife would work next time. That's the problem. I couldn't find the center. I think it's good enough. Okay. Let's see. What do we got in here? Here's the part. Okay. Now we can get to the cubes. Let's see what we got inside. Shall we? Okay, I'm taking the top part off. This is going to be a long ass video if I can't get this damn box open. Okay, we're going to start working inside this fucking thing. Okay, here's our first 2x2, first cube I'm at. This is a Mo. It says Mo Fang G 2x2x3. This is the black version of it. Here's the Mo Fang G 2x3 in white. It's a little bit of weight to it. Wow, there's so many damn cubes in here. Here is a this is a Mofang cube 1x1 by 3x3 in black. This is a I think 2 by 3x3, unknown name. I'll look it up on my ordered list, so we'll get to that in a little bit. Okay, here is this is a Guanlong Jig Ghost Cube. It's the same thing as like a floppy cube, 1 by 3x3. As all can see the title, not. So that's that. Here is I think it's 1 by 3x3 barrel cube in black. Oh, I forgot to mention this. This is gold. This is gold. This is white. And here is the other one that I used to have, but this is a lot heavier than the other ones that I had before. This one's in white. You can't really see the whiteness. Oh, you can. Yep. That's the white. Okay, now we're going to get on some other cubes that I ordered. This is I forget the name of this one. It's a can't think of the name. It's a 2x2 black. And here is the one in white. I can't tell what the name is, so here is the forgot what this is called. This is a Dianchi this is a this is like a pie cube. That's cool. There's so many cubes in here. It's unbelievable. I got so many. Okay, here's that other 2 by 3x3 and white. They're speed cubes, so I don't know what they are. So okay. Here is another one in black. Here's the floppy cubes. These are both floppy cubes. One in black and one in white. This is the Young John Toys. So this is a This is the silver ghost 1x3x3. Okay, the fur. Oh wow, this is crappy. This is a Hello Cube, and I don't know what color it is. Let's check the inside real quick to make sure I got the right color schemes. This is a red. This is the red. Show you, that's the red. Here's the Yangzhou or the Diancheng, the one in black. Did I wear two of them? Okay. Okay, our next one is a, let's see what this is. This one is a Young Jang. This is a 1x3x3. Going. Okay, this one is another Hello Cube. This one's got to be blue or green. Oh, wow. This one's actually a white version. Look at that. That's a white version. Wow. That one's cool. Maybe I ordered them all. We'll see. I don't know. Here's number 2. Okay. Oh wow, we got tons. We got a ton more cubes in here. Okay. Next up is a. What's this? This is a cat. 2x2. 2x2x2. Look at how cute that is. Adorable. Let's put it. Hold on, guys. I gotta clear some spots so we can see all our cubes. I'm gonna put that over there. So I'm just moving some stuff out of the way so we can just continue the video. There is so many cubes in this box. I mean, I don't know how many, but I will count at the end. Back over there. That was the cat. Let's get back into the box. This little Rubik's cubes. Okay. Next we have is what is this one called? This is the cutest panda cube ever. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Let's see what else. Next, we have is the box is like really bad. Is the how is pronounce this damn word? This is the little penguin cube. Next, we have is the I think this is a oh, what is it? 2 by 3 by 4. What is it? I might be wrong. It might be a 3 by 3. Let me check. Oh, it's a 2 by 3 by 3. That's what it is. A 2 by 3 by 3. Or 2 by 3 by 3. That's what it is. It's a 2 by 3 by 3. So, that's a 2 by 3 by 3 in white. And also I have the white one. As y'all can see, that's the white one. Now this is the barrel with white. This is the barrel octagon. And then I also have the one in black. Here's a 2 by 3 by 3. Just unwrap it. Does not shapeshift. Oh, it does. That's a shapeshifter. At first, wow, that's cool. It shapeshifts. That's the one in. This is stickerless. Next, we have is a keychain. I bought the whole set, I believe. I don't know if I did or not, but we're gonna check. So it shapeshifts, as y'all can see. A little bit, just like about there, that's it. I'm going to start, yeah, so this is shapeshifter. And here is the other one. Wow, same color scheme. Maybe I ordered 2 of these by accident. Maybe it's a different green, or are they both the same? Yeah, they are both the same. 2 of the same kind. So I have a spare one just in case my other one doesn't go good. How about a heater? Because I'll burn. Okay, let's see. I only got one. I had 2. Shit. Alright. Come on, Tiger. Okay, this is the cute, I forgot how to say it. But this is the 2x2 Tiger. There, and I think set for cubes. No, there's one more. That's everything. Last but not least, I think this is the blue one. Let me check. Yep, this is the blue one. I know I ripped the box, so I'm keeping the box, but I might have to. So you can't even tell if ripped. Okay, that was it for this cube unboxing. I want to thank DHL for giving me the order, and thank you CubeZZ for contacting me back. Now I have a lot of cubes to play with now, so please definitely subscribe to any of the cubers out there that are doing unboxings and you know, doing their job. So give a thumbs up to them. So that was basically it. That was my cube unboxing of 2017. I won't be ordering any more cubes. Today is the last day, so maybe we'll order a couple more in the future. But that was my 2017 cube unboxing. Have a great day, guys. Bye.